Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology topic. So, from last 3 days onwards, I did not upload any one in our YouTube channel. So, that's why I decided regularly I need to take one CSIR physics question. The simultaneously one important science and technology topic also we need to discuss and we have to upload in our YouTube channel. So, listen and enjoy our YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. So, for your motivation and support, so thank you for so much. So, now you have to see here S-400. This is the Sudarshan Chakra air defense system. In India, so bought from Russian government this S-400 air defense system. So, this is the S-400 air defense system. The Ministry of Defense has identified an Indian firm to set up a maintenance, repair and overall facility for the S-400 Sudarshan Chakra air defense system. So, the Ministry of Defense has identified Indian firm. So, Indian firm to set up a maintenance, repair and overall MRO facility for the S-400 Sudarshan Chakra air defense system. So, we are not depending on Russian government or Russian technology, but even though we bought from that, so, but we need to maintain, repair and overall facility we have to create. So, for our Sudarshan Chakra, this is very important missile system for our Indian government. The S-400 Tramp code name SA-21 Growler, SA-21 Growler by NATO. So, NATO is naming one name S-400, that is S-400 Tramp. Code name is SA-21 Growler by the NATO. So, is a long range multi-layered surface to air missile system. It is a long range multi-layered surface to air missile system developed by the Russian Almaz Ante. Is developed this system SA-21 Growler, that is S-400 Tramp. In Indian service, it is named Sudarshan Chakra. In Indian service, it is named as a Sudarshan Chakra, reflecting its shape and precise defense power. So, it should be reflect and precise defense power. So, for so to protect our country from the enemies, we have to use this Sudarshan Chakra while protecting the rockets and whatever the drones, whatever it may be, for air defense. So, developed by Almaz Ante Air Defense and Space Defense Cooperation Russia. So, this S-400 Almaz Ante Air and Space Defense Cooperation was developed, entered Russian service in 2007, with India procuring it under a 2018 bilateral agreement. So, this one is entered to the Russian arms. So, Almaz Anti-Air and Space Defense Cooperation Russia 2007, but India procuring in 2018 bilateral agreement. So, key features of S-400 Sudarshan Chakra. So, range and tracking, detects threats up to 600 kilometers, engage the targets at 4 different missile ranges to 400 kilometers. They are engaging the target at 4 different missile ranges up to the 400 kilometers. Multi-target capability, simultaneously tracks and engages 8 aerial tracks at a time they can engage. So, to protect the 8 aerial tracks also, aerial targets also. Counteract stealth aircraft, drones, hypersonic weapons also it can have. So counteracts stealth aircraft, drones and hypersonic weapons also it can carry. So deployment and role already deployed in Pathankot and Siliguri corridor and western front. So we are Indian government is deployed and so in these areas Pathankot and Siliguri corridor and western fort played a crucial role in Operation Sindoor. So recently we did the Operation Sindoor operation against the Pakistan by intercepting over 15 aerial threats. So to intercept the aerial threats, around 15 aerial threats, we are using this S-400. So because of the S-400 only, so our country is protected. So because very good defense system, suppose Israel, there is a Iron Dome is there, now USA ready to start with the Golden Dome, they want to prepare. The similar passion our Indian government also S-400, that is the Sudarshan Chakra, we have to use to protect the aerial defense system and from the threat of the enemy's countries. Now we have own facility we want to develop, that is the MRO, maintenance facility, that is the which one it is, which facility you have to see, maintenance and repair and overall facility our Indian government only can, our Indian scientists only can do, not depending upon the Russian people. Clear? So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel, like this science and technology videos. I will give to you, listen and get the success in your competitive examination. Recently all competitive people are asking the questions based on the science and technology. Thank you so much.